Hey guys, my name's Gorge Camorra and today we're going to make a cocktail called Unicorn Porn. Alright. So, I love drinking really boozy up cocktails. You know, I love my Sazeracs, I love my old fashions, I love my Negronis. But another thing that I really love is creamy, sweet, delicious, and fun cocktails. And especially if they come out in a cool glass like this. So today we're gonna make Unicorn Porn. What's in it? Really simple, guys. We're gonna start with some Chambord Liqueur. 15 mils. So we've added some raspberry liqueur. Next up, we need some chocolate because everyone knows that raspberry and chocolate goes really well together. I'm going to do 15 mils of the Joseph Catron chocolate liqueur. It's my favorite chocolate liqueur. Although if you can't get the Joseph Catron, just use another type of chocolate liqueur. We have raspberry, we have chocolate. What else are we gonna add to it? Dead Man's Finger Coconut Rum. 40% ABV. This is the real deal, this stuff. I need a bit of bite in my cocktail, not just all liqueurs. We're gonna use 40 mils. Next up, 60 mils of full cream. Some ice. And let's give it a shake. We need to give it a really good shake to get that cream up, frothing up. We're going to add some ice to the unicorn glass and double strain. One of my favorite ingredients in this, strawberry whipped cream. And some chocolate dust on top. Don't forget a straw. No plastic, guys. Metal straws. Look after those turtles. It's fun, it's tasty, it's creamy, it's unicorn porn. Guys, if you like this cocktail or like my videos, please subscribe, give us a bit of a like or comment. Let us know. What other crazy fun cocktail would you like me to make for you? Thanks for joining us.